Ok, Asbjørn, da kjører jeg. Faen! Hello, I'm back. It's winter. And I'm here on the parking in Ravi, Canada. I'm here with the People's High School, these kids. There's Tilda, she's one of the kids. And I'm teaching the kids the art of RV bumming. This is where we do our dishes. There's our trash. We got chocolates. We got soda pops. We got Doritos. Organic though. This is organic. And shredding on the mountain. Okay, cool.
Have fun.
Have fun, dude.
Have fun.
Thank you, sir. So my GoPro just died mid-line and I swapped batteries. I think that might be some NAR points. Let's keep going. I made a pit stop here.
You got one of the new 7s yet?
No. I'm still old school. I'm doing this video. What is the People's High School?
It's a kind of year where you just do what you want to.
Have fun, Taryn.
Yeah, buddy.
Have fun, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Holy, that was fun.
Oh, my landing must have been harder than I thought.
That was crazy.
Nice, dude.
Når skulle du lande?
Fucking through the peppers there, buddy.